everyday cooking dad, cooking every day. Welcome and welcome back, guys. We're doing chicken wings today, and guess what we're doing? We're doing honey garlic chicken wings, right? So we got garlic. We got this honey garlic seasoning that I saw here in Walmart, right? Wasn't too much. It was only like $6. We got honey, we got butter, easy schmeezy. This is going to be quick, fast dinner tonight. So I'll give you guys right back once we clean this chicken up. All right, guys, we took the tips off our wings, right? Cleaned up the wings. Now, I used to always do our chicken wings, fold them over like this, and then put them on the grill. But I don't need this, right? And I want to save space on the grill, so I always take the tips off, right? I just cut them off, and this is what you got. I just think it's better, right? That's just my personal preference. All right, so now we're going to go down with some avocado oil, right? Because we're going to be going on a 350-degree grill outside on our Traeger. And we don't want these to stick, right? And then this will be somewhat of a binder, right? Let me get some gloves. All right, guys, so I'm going to go down with some of this honey garlic barbecue rub, right? From Fire Smoke. Get this at Walmart, right? And I'm just going to hit this. All right, so we're just going to go on with this. I'm going on heavy, right? And I'm gonna give this a nice rub down. Get that first layer of seasoning, just get that all rubbed in there. Put everything on the board here. Turn them upside down first. All right, and then we're just gonna season. Nice heavy coat of seasoning. All right, flip them over. And we're gonna do the same thing on the other side. Guys, and I just try to pick them up. See how we have no seasoning here, right? Get that, hit that. Yeah, you can also pick some seasoning up off the board here. All right, guys, so we're just gonna let this sit for about 10-15 minutes before we take it outside. And it's gonna take like 35-40 minutes for these to be done on the grill. So we'll let these sit for a little bit. This is pretty much an hour done. An hour, we're done, right? All right, so we're gonna go back outside. All right, guys, so here we go, we're outside. Now, you definitely 100% can do this in the oven, right? Just because I'm doing it on the grill doesn't mean you can't do it in the oven. So these are just gonna go right on the Traeger. And this is what they look like after sitting for like 10 minutes, right? And that's it, guys. These are going on for about 35-40 minutes. And then we're gonna go inside and work on the sauce. All right, guys, so we're gonna start with our sauce. We got a cold pan, right? It's a cold pan. And we're gonna go down with our butter. And to just help keep the butter from burning, we're gonna put a little bit of avocado oil, right? Just so that we can raise the temperature where butter will burn, just to help it out so it doesn't burn, right? Now, so I want to sweat this garlic in, right? I don't want to burn the garlic in, put it in really quick, and then like 30 seconds later, the garlic is ready. You want to kind of bring this along slowly. Get all the flavor of the garlic out. Now, once this garlic here starts to kind of brown a little bit, I'm going to go ahead and go in with the other garlic that I just go ahead and cut up, right? And I'll put that in last. All right, guys, I kind of decided to come out here, just take a quick look at our wings, right? See what they look like on this other side here. And I'm gonna just flop these over for like 10 minutes. And it's starting to get a little color on them. Let's just flip them. And I'll come back out in 10 minutes and flip them back. All right, guys, so it's been like about 5 minutes. And I really don't want to burn this garlic. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the rest of this garlic in here, right? Right, it's a lot of garlic, but it is, honey garlic, right? Now we're just gonna give this a minute or two, then I'm gonna go in with the honey. All right, guys, so what I'm gonna do, been about a minute or so, I'm just gonna give this a taste before we put any honey in here. See how garlicky this is, right? Let's give it a taste. Yeah, almost reminds me of shrimp scampi. I'm just gonna put a little bit of salt in here because it is unsalted butter. And a little black pepper. Because this is our base, right? The butter and the garlic is our base. We want that to taste good. All right, so now again, right? Again, you have to give that salt a chance to dilute, right? And get in there. So by the time this goes another minute or so, we'll give it another taste. Let's give this a little taste. A little bit more salt. Now guys, you could put no salt, right? I'm just gonna keep adding salt here. And I think that's gonna be enough. And now I'm gonna go ahead and go in with some honey. I got the rest of this bottle. What are you gonna say? That's about a half a cup, right? I'm gonna go in with the whole thing. Let's give this a spin. You just want to let this heat through. Just gonna give it a quick taste anyway. Let this heat through. Go with a little bit more. I have some of this left over, right? We could use it again later on. So I would say that's probably what, close to probably a whole bottle, right? It was up there, almost a whole bottle. All right, guys, we're back outside. We're gonna give these wings a nice little flip back over to the other side. Guys, who said a pellet grill can't grill? Look at that. Now guys, give you a little pro tip. You see how we had them all the same way? And we know if we miss one, it'll be turned over, right? Backwards, like that. It's not the same as the others. One of these things is not like the other. One of these things is not the same, right? But this way you don't mess up. Keep your wings even. See if I can pull out some more. Yeah, that's a little bit better shot. Right, guys? Look at this. All right, let's close this down and we're going to go temp these in a minute. All right, guys, so it's been about 45 minutes now on the wings. So let's just temp them. I got 207, perfect. Let's go for one of the bigger ones. 191, guys, these 191, these guys are done. All right, guys, we're back inside. Let's go ahead and put some wings down, right? So the wings didn't come out super crunchy, right? Let me give you guys a quick flyover. There we go. Right? Guys, these are great. Now they're not super crunchy, but they're gonna be very much bite through, right? So let me get you guys back on the stand. All right, guys, so let's jump in there, right? Let's go down. I'm gonna hit this one right here with a little bit of our garlic butter sauce, right? Look at that, guys. Right? Let's go ahead and give this a nice taste. Ooh, it's hot. Hot, guys. Get some of that sauce. Guys, it's getting a nice bite through. You see how it just comes off the bone? Right clean, right through the bone. Guys, this is good stuff. Every day cooking, Dad. Cooking every single day. Take a look at some of these other recipes and let's get cooking.